We are here at Source Civil. We've come today to understand from them how they found their journey in implementing Business Central and would they recommend us?
We're a civil engineering company. Initially started off as specialists in water, wastewater. We've since branched into data centers and power, and that has taken us to the UK, France, Netherlands, and Germany.
I am the company accountant with Source Civil.
My name is Alma Geller. I am a senior accounts administrator here.
So we do data centers all over Europe for several different clients. This here project is in Frankfurt. It would have been our largest project done to date. From Source's point of view, we'd have over 70 staff full-time on site for a period of about a year and a half.
Well, with our previous package, we did have a significant amount of manual work to do, especially when it came to our multi-jurisdictional VAT returns.
Month end was taken forever to put together because so much of it was manual. Menial tasks were getting in the way and taking forever to do.
The consolidation was done completely on Excel, as was the accounts for the different countries. So those were the big aspects.
And the problem being in Europe, you have a very small window to reconcile your VAT and make a VAT return. And we were down to 2 or 3 products, Business Central being one of them. And we were recommended yourselves through Kean Collins from OPX Consultants. You and I spoke, and bit by bit, you and I built the relationship.
And I think probably it is the reporting ability of Business Central that was the main drawing point for us.
So much of everyday life is based on a Microsoft background. And that was probably one of the big swingers for us. You know, we use so much Microsoft. So, you know, we're going to be getting the benefits of any updates they ever do.
The different criteria you can use in terms of dimensions and how flexible it is in terms of being able to assign different dimensions for different nominal codes, making it essential. It's made we know that the data accuracy now going forward is going to be much more streamlined.
Simple things as having different, we can open up the 3 different companies at the one time. Like that speeds up our processes so much.
We have processes set up where recurring journals is run through process. You know, the month-end process is going to become much quicker.
At the click of a button now, we have our creditors per Germany, our creditors per Netherlands. It might sound small, but they were things that were costing us hours upon hours to do. First of all, you came highly recommended. Kean Collins had used you, and also I think you put in the same package for our IT specialists, CompuPack in Sligo. And both were very happy. That's a big recommendation when you're going to spend so much money. And I'm a great believer in personal relationships and how do people get on. And you were very much a man of your word, and you stood over anything that I needed to know. You went and found out for me, and you brought Katerina in, and you were making it that it wasn't just, you're a client, I'm going to take your money, and you're never going to see me again. And that even is the proof of the pudding. You're here today to see is everything going okay. Valuable things that they brought to the table were, A, they listened. They wanted to learn about our business. They wanted to understand our business and then help develop a package for it that would suit us.
Very, very happy with the support we received, you know, from Carol and Katrina especially.
And Tommy was so patient, very given of his time, and very easy to understand. 100%. If you're prepared to, if you guys go to your next customer and treat them the way you've treated us, I couldn't recommend it any better.